who doesn't know what to do and what not to do. Akarja karja janata guru tyagam vidiyate. Even if he's a guru, he should be given up. That is what Krishna Chaitanya is saying. Who else is there to help us? We surround ourselves with our, society and friendship and nation. Who can save us at the time of death? Actually, Krishna never lets the soul down. But if the soul thinks, I have some demand, Krishna, you must do this now. Krishna, he will not let his devotee down. But how he will protect his devotee, that is his own interest. The devotee's interest is not that how Krishna will protect me, how he will provide for me. The devotee's interest is simply how I will serve Krishna through Guru. And Krishna's interest is how I will protect my devotee. He's given his promise. My devotee will never perish. The devotee, he's thinking how I can distribute this book, how I can make this member, how I can perform this service, how I can build this samadhi, whatever it may be, how I can deliver these people. And he goes on. And Krishna, he is worrying that now how I can protect my devotee. You see, this is wonderful. Actually, I was visiting one temple where Lord Caitanya took sannyas. I was going on my way to see the birthplace of Krishna Das Kaviraj. And we were planning to go there and reach by noon and come back. But we were a little late. It's not unusual. And we reached the temple of Lord Chaitanya Sannyas, established by Gadadhar Das and Narahari Thakur, the ashram of Keshav Bharati, at 12 o'clock. So I asked the Goswami there for a disciple to take me on to another 1 hour drive to the birthplace of Krishna Das Kaviraj. And so he insisted that you have to take prasadam. I said that no, I have to reach this place and see the birthplace of Krishna Das Kaviraj. You want to do some development work there. He said, no, you are thinking of doing Krishna's work. That is your lookout. But Krishna's lookout is that he has to feed you. So on behalf of Krishna, I order you must accept his prasadam. So what could I do? So they gave a very nice prasad also. Actually, that is the fact. What he said was correct. That it is Krishna's lookout. Of course, we take responsibility. This is my body. I have to watch out for my body on behalf of Krishna. That is there. We are not to be negligent. We take it this is Krishna's property. But how the devotee is able to pull on, that, you see, no materialist can dare to take such a position. They want to make so many arrangements. But the devotee is able to maintain on Krishna's mercy in such a way and actually feel fully protected, even in his activities, even as grihastas are doing their work, because they're depending on Krishna. They're accepting what Krishna sends. And Krishna also helps in every sphere. If one is actually a devotee, the clue is we have to be devotees. Devotee means to actually want to please Krishna through our service. And how pure devotee we are is how much we're able to avoid committing offenses. How able we are able to be fixed in the desire to satisfy our spiritual master and sincerely try for that.